Welcome to a new video that helps you make smart decisions about your home's interior design. Today, we're going to explore 10 high-maintenance choices that are often made when it comes to home decor, and delve into why you might want to think twice about them. From materials that are hard to keep clean, to designs that require constant attention, these choices can turn your dream home into a demanding chore. So, let's dive in and discover how we can avoid these pitfalls. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we help you create a home that's not only beautiful, but also practical. First off, let's discuss the allure of white carpets and exotic houseplants. White carpets, while elegant and stylish, can be a high-maintenance choice for your home. They demand frequent cleaning to maintain their pristine appearance, and are more prone to visible stains and discoloration. This means extra time, effort, and even money spent on professional cleaning services. Now let's shift our focus to exotic houseplants. They can certainly add an interesting touch to your interior design, but they also come with their own set of challenges. These plants often require specific light, temperature, and humidity conditions to thrive. Not to mention, they may need specialized soil and frequent watering. This could translate to a considerable amount of time dedicated to their upkeep. So, before investing in white carpets or exotic houseplants, think about the time and effort they require. It's not just about aesthetic appeal, but also about practicality and ease of maintenance. Moving on to the next high-maintenance choices, wall-to-wall bookshelves and open shelving. Now, we can all agree that these choices bring an element of sophistication and charm to any room. However, they come with their fair share of upkeep. Wall-to-wall bookshelves, for instance, are dust magnets. Each shelf, each book, each knickknack needs regular dusting and cleaning to keep them looking their best. If not, you might just find yourself living in a dust storm. Then there's open shelving. Yes, it's trendy and it does offer easy access, but let's face it, unless you're a stickler for organization, maintaining a neat and tidy appearance can be a real challenge. Every dish, every cup, every item on display needs its place. And don't forget, they also need regular cleaning. So while these choices might look great in a magazine or on a design show, remember to consider the maintenance they require. After all, a clutter-free home is a serene home. Next up are two choices that might seem luxurious, but can be a pain to maintain: chandeliers and marble countertops. Now, chandeliers can be a stunning focal point in any room, but they come with their own set of challenges. They gather dust like a magnet, and cleaning them can be an intricate, time-consuming task. You need to be careful not to damage the delicate crystals while also ensuring each piece sparkles. On the other hand, marble countertops, despite their upscale aesthetic, are notoriously high maintenance. Marble is easily susceptible to stains even from water. It's porous, meaning it can quickly absorb liquids, leading to potential discoloration. It also requires regular sealing to maintain its pristine condition. While both choices scream luxury and can elevate the look of your home, they demand significant time and effort to keep them in top-notch condition. So before you make these high-maintenance choices, consider if you're ready for the commitment they require. Luxury is great, but not when it becomes a chore. And now, let's talk about two choices that are popular but require a lot of upkeep: hardwood floors and in-ground pools. First up, hardwood floors. These are undeniably beautiful and can add a touch of elegance to any space. However, they come with their fair share of maintenance. Hardwood floors are susceptible to scratches, which means they need regular polishing and refinishing to keep them looking their best. Spills need to be cleaned up immediately to prevent staining, and even something as simple as walking across the floor in high heels or dragging furniture can leave unsightly marks. Next, let's dive into in-ground pools. They're the epitome of luxury, but keeping them clean and usable is quite a task. They require regular skimming and vacuuming to remove debris, not to mention the need for periodic chemical balancing to ensure the water is safe for swimming. And let's not forget about the pump and filter maintenance, as well as winterizing efforts if you live in a colder climate. Sometimes, the most popular choices aren't always the most practical. Finally, we come to our last two high-maintenance choices: textured walls and large lawns. The charm of textured walls lies in their ability to add depth and character to a room. However, they come with a caveat, which is the difficulty of cleaning. Dust, dirt, and cobwebs can easily get trapped in the crevices, turning a simple dusting chore into a time-consuming task. Furthermore, any damage to these walls requires professional help for repair, adding to the overall upkeep cost. Next up is the ever-desirable large lawn. A sprawling green space can be a dream come true, but remember, it requires constant care. From regular mowing to seasonal fertilizing, pest control to watering, the list is long and the effort substantial. Plus, a large lawn means larger water bills, and in areas prone to drought, it might not be the most sustainable option. To wrap up, always remember that a beautiful home doesn't have to be high maintenance. It's about making smart choices that suit your lifestyle and comfort. Are there any high maintenance items in your home that you're reconsidering now? Perhaps a textured wall you're tired of dusting, or a large lawn that's more work than play? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your stories in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter.